How to use Vaseline for extremely fast hair growth. In this video, we will explain you how to use Vaseline for extreme fast hair growth. One of the most important things for everyone, especially women, is to have a long and strong hair which will be healthy. That's why here we've decided to present you a natural remedy that will help you acquire that. If your hair damages easily, it splits, breaks easily and has dry ends, then this is the best article for you. You can actually avoid hair damage if you keep your hair well moisturized. One thing ideal for hair hydration and nourishing is Vaseline because it promotes stronger hair growth. How to use Vaseline for extremely fast hair growth. One of the simplest ways to boost your hair's level of health and growth is to keep it moisturized. While there are many products on the market sold to do this, Vaseline can be used in their place with similar effects at a much lower cost. Here's how to make your hair growth faster with this amazing ingredient. Apply a very small amount of Vaseline on your hair ends. It will help you stop hair damaging and split ends. Then apply some Vaseline on your scalp, massaging it gently. The stimulation of scalp encourages hair growth. You'll have amazing results if you apply Vaseline on your scalp before going to bed and wash it away next morning. Do not do that more than once in a week. Massage your scalp softly after you've applied the Vaseline. Your hair roots will definitely become stronger. Time frame. For the highest benefit, Vaseline should be applied at night before retiring to allow the Vaseline to penetrate the hair and scalp no more than one time per week. Pillows can be protected by applying a plastic shower cap over the hair. Removal. Because Vaseline leaves the hair with a greasy, unattractive appearance, it should be removed by washing hair thoroughly with a clarifying shampoo. If the Vaseline is stubborn, 1 teaspoon of baking soda can be added to shampoo to remove residue. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.